For installation, we recommend 2 people, 2 step ladders, 2 rubber mallets, and 2 flat-bladed screwdrivers. Lay out all parts on the floor for easy access to each part. Once you have all parts laid out, check against the Bill of Lading, BOL. Raise truss upright to upright position. Place your foot on the horizontal brace at the bottom to stabilize the truss. Seat cross beam to the upright by engaging it in 3rd keyhole from the bottom. Repeat previous step with 2nd upright and tap cross beam with rubber mallet in position. The beam is correctly seated when the spring clip slides into the top of the end plate and can then be locked in place by inserting the stud into the hole in the end plate and column. This is a temporary side beam to stabilize the 2 uprights. Determine required cart clearance. Measure and mark off the keyholes for additional cross beam installation from the bottom of the uprights. You will need to measure and mark both sides of the uprights. Repeat previous steps with every crossbeam. Remember, the beam is correctly seated when the spring clip slides into the top of the end plate and can then be locked in place by inserting the stud into the hole in the end plate and column. Once the shelf is stable, you may remove the temporary side beam at the bottom. Use flow roller inserts for top cross beams. The rear cross beam needs to be at least 1 keyhole level higher than the front cross beam to generate a roller angle. Follow the same process for each of the flow rollers. Define the distance between the flow rollers based on the case size to be stored on the top shelf. Wire mesh shelves shall be used on the lower shelf levels. Rack must be stabilized by proper anchoring and/or external bracing. Mounting specifications vary per region due to seismic installation requirements. Please refer to state and local codes for specific requirements. The procedures herein described are intended to assist in the installation of Effizient static shelving. They are intended solely as a guide. The methods described and illustrated have been developed over a period of time and have been proven to be reasonably successful. They do not imply that other methods better suited to field conditions might not be equally effective. Effizient suggests strict adherence to all standard safety practices and further suggests all methods be tested and tried before being put into operation. Effizient further explicitly disclaims any responsibility for damage or injuries resulting from field interpretation or use of these suggestions.